Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm all about, I make videos about credit, and I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about credit repair or credit cards or anything, feel free to ask me. Mainly ask me on my Instagram because that's where I'm more active. But anyways, many of you guys don't know what manufacturer spending is. You guys probably don't even ever knew that it existed, but you're honestly in for a real treat in this video today. So please make sure to watch to the end, because a lot of people get confused when I try to explain this, especially to some of my clients that I have them on private mentorship. So this is actually a very lucrative, money making opportunity, but you have to be mentored because there's a lot of tricks and methods that you have to do in order to not get a red flag by the bank, because the people don't know how to use this method accurately and the right way. And this is why a lot of people offer mentorship, so your account doesn't get shut down, or your credit card company doesn't send you in a financial review, because there's certain things that you need to apply. But I'm going to give you guys just the basics, the gist of it. And if this is the first time you ever heard of the word MS or manufacturer spending, watch to the end, because you're going to be mind blown of the way that a lot of us credit nerds, or whatever you guys want to call us, this is one of our tactics and strategies to get sign up bonuses, points, and just make money off our credit cards. A lot of people think it's actually legal. It's not. It's kind of like blackjack. Blackjack, they don't want you counting cards. It's not illegal, it's just frowned upon. And I guess that's how banks look at us, like when we do manufacturer spending. It's not illegal what we're doing. We're not doing any money laundering, but it is looked down on us because we actually found a system to actually beat the banks at their own game, and we actually are one step ahead of them. So alright guys, so I know you guys are wondering what is manufacturer spending or what is MS. So if you ever hear me say MS, it means manufacturer spending. It's just an acronym we use, or us credit guys use to, so we don't have to keep saying manufacturer spending. So if you hear me say MS, I mean manufacturer spending. So again, sorry for the delay, but what is manufacturer spending? So manufacturer MS is pretty much being able to buy items on your credit card and then convert them to cash. That's pretty much what it means. And I'm going to explain to you guys a quick method of what is how to actually use this tactic. I'm not really going to go into depth of which bank account I use and all this stuff, because I don't want to hurt other credit bureaus. One, I did pay a lot of money for this information, and two, I don't want to be looked frown upon the credit community for giving out so much information. Again, if you guys want to DM me or have more questions, please feel free. Again, I'm more active on Instagram. But here's a method that I use for manufacturer spending, and I don't recommend you guys to do this right off the bat to gain your sign up bonuses, but this is just one of the methods that I used to do, and I just use. And if I do use it for the sign up points, I'm very careful, and I do this strategically because I already have a plan and know how to do it and when to do it. So here it goes, guys. So the way it works is that I have my Visa, let's say my Visa MasterCard, I don't know, any Visa credit card that you can think of, right? For this example, I'm going to use my Chase Freedom or my Chase Sapphire credit card, right? I get my Chase Sapphire credit card, and I buy a Visa card. I buy a Visa gift card. But the Visa gift card that I purchase, it has to make 100% make sure that it says debit card. So because it's viewed as a debit card. So again, and I'm gonna show you guys a little diagram on how this whole process works, and a little image so you guys can understand it a little bit better. So with my credit card, I buy the gift card. With my gift card, I activate it and I create a PIN number. So it is a debit card. So what I do is that I go to certain post offices, but most of the time I go to different Walmarts, and I buy a money order. So for example, one gift card that I buy is $500. I buy one money order for $499.12. Why 12 cents? Because 88 cents is going to cover the money order. So this is what I do. I buy the money order, and then I have the money order. And what I do now is I deposit into my bank, and then once it's deposited into my bank, then I make a payment to my credit card. I don't make the payment right away. I let the statement close, and I let the bill come to my house. But obviously, guys, you know me. Don't don't carry a balance. I never carry a balance on my credit card, and this is why I continuously keep winning at the credit card game, because I don't pay no interest. I don't let the banks make any money off me, and it's actually quite the opposite. I actually make money off them because I just not don't rob them, but I profit off their sign-up bonuses. I've honestly just started manufacturer spending for a little year and a half, almost 2 years, but this year I've been able to tackle it. Let me close this window. I've been able to tackle it more aggressively because I'm strategically planning to do a apparama, which is aka pretty much means that I'm going to apply for massive amounts of credit cards, which I already have a lot. It's just I'm waiting for 3 or 4 hard inquiries to fall off that even me, a credit repair guy, couldn't remove these hard inquiries. And the only reason why I couldn't remove them, because these hard inquiries are actually accounts that are attached to my accounts that I don't want to close. So for example, and anybody knows that you can remove any hard inquiry off your credit report as long as it's an account that you don't care for, and or 2, you got denied for that credit card, or 3, you don't care about having that account closed. I think I mentioned that, I can't remember, but anyways. So again, just look at the video, guys, and it's gonna give you guys an overview of exactly what I explained. So again, guys, let me just recap. With my credit card, I buy a Visa debit card, gift card. With that debit card, I go to Walmart or the post office and I buy a money order. So for this example, money order is 88 cents at Walmart and my gift card's $500. I buy a money order of, I tell them, can I buy a money order of $499.12, and then my total is going to be $500. And what I do is that I don't tell, but one thing's first, guys, don't tell the Walmart or the cashier or anybody that you're actually buying it with the gift card, because a lot of people just get scared, they get eerie, like they think you're doing something wrong when they're just very ignorant. They don't know what's going on. So again, just if they ask you how you're gonna pay, you tell them I'm paying with a debit card. You're not lying, because the fucking card is a debit card. So again, you put in, you enter your PIN, they give you your money order. Once you have that money order, you go and deposit into your bank account, and you just keep doing this, rinse and repeat. And then you just pay off your credit card statement and just profit off the points because you're spending. But again, I do want to let you guys know, so you guys don't get red flags. If you guys do plan to do this, do not, and I repeat, do not start buying $3,000 worth of gift cards within your first month if you never have done that, or if you don't ever spend that much on your credit card. So like, let's say for example you have $1,000 credit card and you never spend that much money in general. If you only spend $300, work your way up to that, because then your credit card company is gonna catch on and be like, okay, wait a minute, out of nowhere you just started spending thousands of dollars of amounts on a daily basis or every other week on gift cards when you only spend $300 every month. So like, and they'll start reviewing your account, and you don't want that. So again, guys, this is why you have to be mentored, or at least do some research on your own. And I'm going to be creating a lot of videos on what websites, a lot of us credit churners go to, and all these credit gurus use, just so you guys I can help you guys out there. Again, if you guys do plan to do this, just be careful. Again, I do want to point that out, that it's not illegal. It's 100% legal. It's just, again, it's just kind of like blackjack. It's just looked down upon the bank. So I hope you guys learned something new. Again, look at the images that I'm going to be putting up here next to me somewhere in this video, and just pause it and just to get an idea of what it is. But again, this is a manufacturer spending, and I'll put another picture here exactly what it is. It's pretty much being able to buy items with your credit card and convert them to cash. There's obviously, to my knowledge, 9 advanced methods and ways to do this to not catch any red flags with the banks. And obviously, as of right now, I don't plan to release any of that information, because when I paid for my mentor, it cost me a lot of money. So, and I don't want this to get burned by people who actually don't know what they're doing. So that's one of the reasons why I won't provide that in any of my videos. But again, if you have any questions, feel free to DM me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And until next time, guys.